We have a crib sheet. Fitted crib sheet. I don't know how much of this one I got on recording because my camera was acting really weird, so kept trying to overheat. I gotta come up with some solution. I guess multiple GoPros would be an answer, but I'm too broke for that.
So got money for that.
Yeah, I'm way too broke for that. So gotta come up with something. I'm pretty nifty normally. Maybe I'll come up with some great plan.
You are Mr. Fix-It.
Yeah, that's what they call me.
Ooh.
I know.
We might sell this one.
Might be for sale. Was gonna go on our child's bed, but might go for sale. You saturated that one pretty good, so I'm quite sure it got dyed well. It got a lot of dye. It got enough dye probably for a full-size sheet set. But then it gets hard to say because those bottles are small. They're not big enough bottles to be dyeing sheet sets, really. But we have bigger bottles. It's kind of violent when it first turns on. New washer, folks. New washing machine.
It's supposed to sound like that?
Yeah,
I guess.
I think it's just because it doesn't have enough stuff in it. It needs more stuff. First time I ever ran it with only one shirt in it. I normally load it down. I did adjust the little feet so it's well balanced and all. Let it rock.
Did you put it on a low load?
Yeah.
Is there a low load setting?
Lowest water setting and everything. Maybe that's why we haven't ever ran it on low water either. It is rather loud though. Or are we not in
Take this
here?
one outside and hold it up, like stretch it out, because I don't want to do it over the sink.
You want me to put up my clothesline?
I mean, you can.
Do you have some clothespins?
No.
You got any way of hanging it?
No. You're okay.
Well, I got hangers. We could hang it from 2 hangers, couldn't we? Like with the clips on it. You know what I'm talking about?
It's okay. We'll leave
Here.
it in the sink till it's done.
Hold it up a little bit though. Let's see what we got.
Oh, I want you to hold it up outside so you
Oh.
can get the full picture.
You want to do the full thing?
Yeah. I
Okay.
don't want to do it over here and drip it all over my
I got you.
thing.
Well, I guess you'll have to wait until the morning then,
We're doing it
folks.
outside right now.
Oh. Okay, never mind.
Are you listening to anything?
Not really. I can't hear anything over that washer.
So I'm going to hold it up. And then we're going to put it in the sink until that shirt's done.
Ah.
I just wanted to hold it up so it wouldn't get dye all over.
Ah.
Oh, look, it dyed this bag this time.
Oh, wow.
Anyway, sorry.
Oh,
That's what it
wow.
looked like. Is it good?
Man, yeah. Yeah, look at that. Oh my God, that came out so good. Look at that.
You like it?
Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah, that came out really, really good. We're gonna be doing a sheet set next week, folks. So
I say we sell.
stay tuned for that. You want to sell it? Let's sell it. Yeah. Okay. For sale on Etsy. Yeah. Check it out. It'll be live tomorrow at 8 a.m. For sale on Etsy. Oh yeah. That's one thing I love about this washer. And there's the final result. Man, check that out. Let me see if I can straighten it up a little bit. Look at that spiral. Oh yeah, that came out really, really good. Awesome. It's a perfect spiral. Yeah. Alrighty, folks. My camera messed up a lot when we were dyeing this one, so I don't know if the dyeing of it will be on there, but she said we are gonna sell it, so check it out on Etsy. Look at it in the sun one time. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, look at that. Alrighty, folks. Y'all have a wonderful day.